Okay, so in order to access a shared calendar, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. The first way is to start on your Outlook email. You're going to go up here to the left. This icon right here means calendar. If it's not here on the left, you'll click on more apps and it should be in here. You can search it or just scroll through. But so clicking on here, it takes me to my calendar. This is showing only my personal calendar, which you can see by looking right here. In order to pull up the shared calendar, you're going to click Show All, and then you're going to click on the calendar that was shared with you. So I'm going to select the student government calendar, and there's that. You can filter it, do different views, so you can look at it by days, school week, a week, or by month. Also, you can click right here to toggle on side-by-side mode. So this is side-by-side mode on, and this is it overlaid. I like this one better. It's just easier to see. Once you're here, there's really nothing else you can do. You can add events by clicking on here and then clicking New Event. The other way to access the calendar is to click on this symbol right here, and then you're going to click on Teams. So as you can see, it opened up a new Teams tab, and then it's very similar to the other way. You're going to click right here and click on Calendar. If yours isn't on here, you'll click on the three dots right here, and they should be in here. So that's how you find it. So clicking on it, you can see that it's laid out a little bit differently. So right now I have mine selected, but if it wasn't there, you click Show All, and then it has them here. If you want to do the split screen as well, you'll click right here where this button is. On mine it says month. On yours it might say week or days. And then split views right here. If you want to add an event to this, you'll click on New. And then notice how right here it shows the calendar, just calendar is selected. In order to select your shared calendar, you're going to simply click it and then select the shared calendar's name. So if your calendar isn't showing up, you'll be able to get an ICS link from the calendar holder. They can get that link by going right here to the three dots, click on calendar settings, shared calendars, and then it'll be down here at the bottom. You want to select ICS. They'll copy this and send it to you. From there, you'll go to Add Calendar and then Subscribe from Web. All you have to do is paste it here and import. That would allow you to subscribe to the calendar. So doing this from your phone is pretty simple. You want to make sure that you use the Outlook app. Once you open it, click on Calendar, and then click on your profile picture to toggle on your shared calendar. If it's not there, you can select Show More, and that's it. Hope this helps.